I would say to the Deputy that when George Orwell wrote his great novel 1984, he talked about the party's emphasis on double-think. And describing it, he explains that party members have, and I quote, to hold simultaneously two opinions which cancelled out, knowing them to be contradictory and believing in both of them, unquote. Now, most people who read 1984 took it as a warning, but the Deputy's party seems to be taking it as some sort of instruction manual. How else can we reconcile the party's performance on this issue? We've just watched the Deputy condemn the government's proposal in relation to industry contributing to the cost of Mica redress. But just last week, her colleague Pearse Doherty in this House stood in the same place as the Deputy and declared, and I quote, "I welcome the defective concrete products levy," unquote. And then I listened to Comrade O'Brien on Morning Ireland this morning, dodging and weaving on the issue as only he can, Jesuitical in his approach. And he said, yes, of course, we need to make the industry responsible for defective concrete products, bear some of the financial burden, but not like this. Deputy, you are the party of doublethink and the three-card trick. You're for Mica redress and industry making its contribution until you are not. You support the levy on concrete products until you don't. The industry responsible for the problem should pay until it shouldn't. You are making this up as it goes along.